Take a look around. The world is changing, and with it, we have to adapt as well as humans. We've got AI coming in faster than you can even think about what it's going to do to the world.
We are at the dawn of this radical transformation of humans that, by its very nature as a truly complex and emergent innovation, nobody on Earth can predict.
And we're over here still having fun making pictures and videos. Yeah, it's about to change everything like how the Industrial Revolution did. Like, people were identifying as farmers, and then the Industrial Revolution happened, and now they're identifying as city people. This is the same thing that's going to happen here. You know, we've got these people talking about like, oh gosh, AI taking my jobs. How about, sure, let's let AI take our jobs, because don't most people, I can only speak for Americans at least, but don't they complain about going to work like every day? Like, you know, those people that, oh, it's Monday, I got to go to work. Yeah, so why are we complaining about AI coming and taking the jobs? There's a pro and a con to AI here, and the pros to it are it makes our life much easier, things are much more efficient, things happen quicker, but the con to it is that things are happening faster. Now people are feeling that time isn't the same anymore. They feel that time is just running by, going by so quickly. Well, the fact that we have access to this information at our fingertips, just at light speed. Back in the day, people had to travel by horse, and it might take days, if not weeks, for somebody to get your message. Yeah, so we're living in a whole new world. This world where everybody is just addicted to their phones. Of every app you go onto any single app, and it is in a scrolling format. It wants you to continuously scroll and scroll and scroll, and it's going to curate a feed perfectly for you, so that when you get on there, it's going to feel like home to you. It's like, oh, this is my spot. It's everywhere you look. It's going to have something that is reaching out to you, and you can identify with this. But the problem here is, with so many people being addicted to their phones and addicted to having these headphones in, you're getting all of these frequencies and all of these waves that are subliminally controlling you. But on top of that, you're having such a massive disconnect with the general population. I stopped wearing my headphones, okay? I stopped wearing my headphones out in public, because when I'm out in public, I wanted to start having a more human connection with people. Because go look around, everybody is headphones in, scrolling on their phone. They're waiting in a food line at a restaurant, waiting for food, scrolling on their phone. It's baffling to me. And the thing is, you can try and not use your phone. I was talking with my dad about this. You can try and not use your phone, but you're gonna get left behind. You have to do the networking. If you want to make money and you want to live here, at least in America, you gotta network with some people. All right? I mean, there's other ways to do it, but for the common person, you're gonna be on your phone calling them, hey, you know, what's up with the work? So even though you can't just turn off the phone and throw it away, you can at least be actionable about the things that you're doing on the phone. Turn off your notifications. There's no need for game notifications, all these other YouTube notifications. I'm a YouTuber. I mean, fair enough, but I have YouTube notifications turned off, because in my day-to-day life, the only thing that I need are texts and calls. Even the emails I have turned off, because luckily for me, I don't have to use emails for work, but I was getting bombarded by all those messages. I know you guys have seen them. The ones this video has 500,000 likes, and however many views on this dog video, or so-and-so just got married on TikTok. And it's just like, I don't care. I'm trying to go and live my life, one, as best as I possibly can for myself, and two, so that I can help as many other people as I possibly can. If I'm getting distracted every single second of the day, what they want is your entertainment. What they want is to entertain you. They want to into you entertainment. Okay, so be aware of this. Have pure focus on your life. Have control over your life, because a lot of people don't. You know, a lot of people are letting freaking massive amount of time just slip through their fingers. Yeah, I mean, dude, I was talking with my grandmother. You know, I told her, I was like, hey, if I were your age, I'd be definitely worried about time. You know, not worried, but like making a bit more use of my time. Okay, I was like, you're 3 times my age. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? You have to be so unique, because the fact that everybody else is just lining up and clocking in like they're just another number, the person who stands out, the person who walks the other way, the person who says no in today's society, you're gonna get rewarded in many, many different ways, because you see it differently. You see how the game is being played, because it is a game. It's all a game, and it's all just a test. In a world that's just increasingly being ran by technology, with AI taking over everything, you have to be intentional with what you do in your life, okay? I'm just saying, the time's gonna go. Times are changing for sure, but we can't just sit here and complain about it. You know, what we can do is start taking steps, start taking action. You know, first off, believe in yourself. I want you to do that, all right? Because I don't know if you have been through a lot, but I've been through a lot to get here. And so if that's anything, I want you to keep doing your best, because life isn't always easy. You know, we have the option to choose it in our mind, what is easy and what's not. But I want to let you know that every level, if you think that it's hard where you are right now, the person who is making $100,000 a year still thinks it's hard. The person making $300,000 a year still thinks it's hard. The person that's up there, Elon Musk, you think he thinks it's easy, dude? Nah, bro's a freaking trillionaire, trillelon, whatever, you know, like, dude doesn't think it's easy. People are like, oh, but you made this much money, why do you keep going? It wasn't about the money. It's not about that. It's about helping or making this goal, this thing that you got in your mind, accomplished. And we're just not going to stop until it happens. Okay? So, my goodness, you guys. Just, if you've taken anything from this video, get off your phone a little bit. Like, stop scrolling so much. Or if you are, be intentional. Like, if you're scrolling, maybe you're searching how to put up drywall in a house. So you're scrolling videos or information or AI content to find your answers. Okay? And it's just a lot different than consuming the AI slop or whatever content that people are creating that has no purpose. That's not... You're gonna go and watch 10, 20, 30, 40 videos and have just wasted that time, versus you could have spent time watching something beneficial that will increase and grow your mind, and you can use this knowledge, because like, you're gonna keep getting older. We're gonna be here for some time. Well, at least you hope that we all are. But at least make the best of that time. Whether you have 10 days, 10 years, or 100, make the most of it and do as best as you possibly can throughout every single second of your time there. If you guys hadn't already, like this video and subscribe for more.